G'day, Steve here. Today we're going to attack a little project that's been annoying me for a while. So you can sort of see here in this area, having a bit of trouble getting my grass to grow. So out here, no dramas, we've got Sir Walter. But just looking here, I've actually noticed that what's actually doing okay is the old standard Queensland variety of buffalo. Not sure what it is, but it's going okay. I've sprayed out this clover many times, but she just keeps coming back and not too much is going on. So we're going to try a few little bits and pieces here. I've got some buckets. We'll get rid of that soil on top there that looks a bit mildewy, and I'll go looking for some plugs of buffalo as a bit of a trial. My new favourite toy, the PROPLUGGER, and we'll see what we can do here. What you can see I've done here, to use the PROPLUGGER, I've taken a heap of plugs out. So some of these I'm going to replace with soil, with sand I think, and we'll see how we go with that. So this is pretty wet, damp sort of buggy soil there, so righto, so I've just been a whip around the yard, see where I can find some buffalo. So I'm just going to lay these out that I can find. I'm not sure how buffalo goes with the PROPLUGGER. As you can see, I've got a little bit of the buffalo there with some roots in it. So just going to see what happens here. I've got some sand. I'm going to put a bit of sand in each of these holes. This is a bit of sand I had left over from some bricky work that I had, so I'm not really sure what it's about, what it's got in it. It feels really fine, like beach sand. So just put a bit in some of the holes. Righto. A couple of shallow ones here, nice little shallow one. So just give you a look. You can see all the little plugs there. It's not too pretty. Just going to fill in between with sand and we'll see how that looks. So this is where we've ended up. A couple of the plugs have disappeared, but you'll see the others. give it a bit of love and attention over the next couple of weeks, and I'll keep you updated. So this little project was inspired by my new toy, the PROPLUGGER. Made the job so easy. We never even thought how easy that job could be without it. So PROPLUGGER from Real Solutions. Get on it. Just a little side note, this is where I got all my plugs for that last little project. So you can see in the shade how easy they just punched out. So good gear.